Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Understanding the anatomy of your chest muscles can significantly enhance your workout effectiveness. Let's dive into the best exercises to grow your chest muscles, ensuring you're not just going through the motions but actually making progress. The cornerstone of chest workouts targeting your pectoralis major with variations to hit different angles. Versatile and effective, suitable for all fitness levels, they engage your entire upper body. Focuses on the upper chest, essential for a well-rounded chest development. Great for stretching and contracting the chest muscles, promoting growth through a full range of motion. Tell us what you want to see here next time, like and subscribe for more. Targets the often neglected lower chest, giving you that full sculpted look. Not only works your chest but also engages your lats, making it a dual-purpose exercise. Offers a stable environment to isolate the chest muscles, ideal for beginners. Finish strong with dips to work the lower chest and triceps. Remember, form is key to prevent injury and ensure the effectiveness of each exercise. Incorporate these exercises into your routine to see noticeable improvements in your chest development. And if you're exercising daily, let us know in the comments below. Your journey is our inspiration.